Hi, welcome to TurnerTime. This tutorial is on how to quickly find and replace words in Outlook, PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. Before we move forward with the tutorial, a quick question for you. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? You can get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, contact us via email or phone. Let's get back to our tutorial. In this example, I am sending out an email and I have used the word client several times. I want to replace it with customer. If I will try to change that manually, it will take some time. However, here's the quickest way. Press Control key and H key on your keyboard. Now in the Find What field, I will write the word that I want to replace. In this example, it is client. In the Replace With field, I will write the word customer. Now left-click Replace All button. And here we go. The word client has been replaced throughout the draft. This process works the same in PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also, give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. And if you are interested in the training I mentioned earlier, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463.